This is going to be our prediction for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So yesterday we did this analysis on New Zealand dollar JPY. We said that New Zealand dollar JPY will give us a bullish move for it. And this is exactly what market did. Market eventually opened and closed bullish. So if you actually enter the trade where we predicted it to do, right, you would have grabbed about 80 pips, more than 80 pips. That is about approximately 90 pips. You would have been able to grab about 90 pips bullish move, right, on New Zealand dollar JPY. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet a subscriber, do that now by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So now for this day, we will also be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to open and close bullish for the day. Now this is it here. The one of market opening and closing bullish. This is day 2 of market opening and closing bullish. This is day 3 of market opening and closing bullish. Here comes the day 4 of market opening and closing bullish. This is the week 5 of market opening and closing bullish. And now this week 6, we would expect market to open and close bullish. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY. So now this is the pullback, right? Now another push up that we've completely take out this high. That is what we'll be expecting next on New Zealand dollar JPY. So go in for the buy on New Zealand dollar JPY. More updates will be covered for you guys in the Telegram channel.